view of Konza city. This is the track harness I'm using. Konza city soon it will be a very nice city, keeping in mind that we are doing piping for the site to use water. This is HDPE pipe. This is excavation trench. This is where we are supposed to terminate our plumbing to connect the pipe. And that one is the meter and the snooze valve from the tank. It measures the water from the tank to the end user. These are the JVC coupling. These are JVC coupling, mechanical. These are non-return valve. These are non-return valve for 3-inch and non-return valve for 1.5. Another one for 2-inch. And we have also here a meter gauge. This meters water from the borehole to the high elevated water tank. This job has been planned to be done in 3 months' time. We should be completing. The network for HDPE. Here we have this borehole number 2, which is here. Borehole number 2, it comes here, and borehole number 1, it comes. This is an elevated water tank, which is being fed by the borehole number 1 and number 2. And this elevated tank is number 2. I have another one here, elevated water tank number 1. Yeah, though it seems so old and rusted. We are yet to do some maintenance on it, repair work, paint work, basically renovation of it. Here, as you can see here, we have here 2 pipes. This is the previous pipe which comes from the this is a supply pipe. That PVC we are replacing that PVC to HDPE, and that big one is the one ICM has done the installation, which is going to serve the whole project. It's a 6-inch pipe. This small pipe HDPE, this goes to the substation, is for Chinese, for site use. They have also connected this to this chamber. Yeah. I think my viewers, you can see very well. We have a ball cock, we have a meter. They connected the heat here. Same, these 2 chambers have 3 pipes here, which are going together to, we have the supply and the inlet. These 2 are the outlets, and this one is the supply. This one is also this one is also the inlet, and this one is the supply going to various supplies. That's why the Chinese guy has connected to this supply line. And this one, sorry, it is inlet from borehole. That one is from borehole 5, and this one is from borehole 4. They are connecting from here, then it pushes the water up, 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 up there to cause that. Then this other second one is now the outlet. That's why where this guy has connected from the outlet. Then from here we are intending to connect our pipes in this direction like this. Going to connect it here like this to here. This is where now our trench starts from, and is where we are going to base our installation. Let us get started. Now this is a trench. This trench goes almost 8 kilometers. 8 good kilometers, this trench. It's a big trench, man. It's a big one, it's a long one, it's wide. Briefly, this trench is supposed to have 3, there's supposed to be 3 pipes. 2, the supply to the giraffe, and 1 is the main one to distribute to the entire project. Then on this we have also chambers which we need to initiate here, like here, this one has to be brought here. So we need to widen this place so that this chamber can be built here. We are basically, according to the progress, we are almost there. Out of 100, I can say that we have now done 70% of the trench excavation. We are remaining with 30%. Installation of the pipes, I can't say that we have started, not yet. We are at 0%, considering that our time which we were given to finish the job according to the program, we only have 3 months. And as we speak now, it is exactly 1 month, and we have not done the whole job halfway or even 40%. That seems like we're gonna lag behind, but we trust that given other things like materials, because this trench, as you see, it requires dust, requires leveling. We have to level. Then we bring dust inside. You might ask why we have not started leveling. Currently, our guys are concentrating with the unfolding the HDPE pipes, because these HDPE pipes come in rolls. That's why we are now concentrating much. As you can also see, this is the pipe. It was a PVC pipe which is being used to supply water. We are rehabilitating a PVC pipe to HDPE. We are replacing it so that it can serve its purpose as and how it is intended. That's the view. That's where I've come from. You see how far it is. That's the view of Konza. That's the view. You can see Konza. It is a big place. It's a big, this place, I understand it was a ranch. So the government bought it and they want to make it a city. The famous city you always hear, it's going to be here. Here. My dear friends, this is where the city is going to be. You can have a general view of the place. Cities, at times, they are man-made. I'm saying man-made because most of the cities, they come or they develop naturally. But this one has to be forced to be a city. So you have to plan it accordingly, the way things should be planned, the way a city is supposed to be planned. That is why we are doing this. You may ask why we are doing this. We are doing this because the initial piping was this. This was the initial piping. We are replacing this pipe with HDPE pipe. That one is already joined. We have joined HDPE pipe, sorry. Now after that, we're gonna bring it here. No, engineers have to make sure that people have clean, potable water to sustain humanity. Have to make sure that the water we supply to people is clean. Have to make sure things are done properly. Have to make sure no leakages. After installation of the pipe, make sure we test, not only testing, doing pressure testing. These are the pipes we are replacing. You might say, oh, government likes using money just anyhow. This is not money we are using anyhow. We are using purposely to develop the project and put a long-lasting pipe which will take like 50 years before we come and do some repairs on it, unless otherwise something happens to the pipe. But as far as we are concerned, things will work well for the better. Yes. Yes. This place is good. The place is good. Can have a view of the wild beast. That one is just alone there. It's far. You can see it. Wild beast. Huh? You can see. It's there, looking at me. Huh? You can see it. Huh? This is where we are. At times we have a lot of antelopes here, but I think currently they have opted to go and hide somewhere. They opt to go to places where there are no people. Yeah. I've seen some of them. They are far. I doubt if I zoom that you can visualize, but that is how it is. Huh? Yeah. Yes, this is the place to be, man. My friends, one of you should come to Konza when it is in its initial stage. In fact, these are outcasts of it is far behind from the central core of the city itself. We are basically like this pipe is almost on the boundary. That's why if I visualize like this, the hip you see, that hip is the boundary of the city, that one. So when I tell you we are almost at the edge of the place, then I'm not wrong. These are the pipes. Like this pipe, this is the HDPE pipe. You see how that pipe is. You see, even I fear being in front because the snake might be inside, and these guys are supposed to block or to plug this, but they haven't, so it's a dangerous thing because a snake can find its place inside. In fact, I'm going to instruct them immediately to block or to cap the pipe. Yeah, so here is where we are doing our thing the way we like doing, and loving our job is our motto. You love what you do, you don't hate your job. If you hate your job, then it means you are normal. Here, these are the guys who supply us with the pipe. They are called the top tank. Top tank. Top tank. Don't know if you can see properly. But it is not seen. Someone cannot see because of light. Okay, now you can see this top pipe system. All right, that's good. It's a good one. It's a good one. I believe and trust that things will work according to the wishes of our Jehovah. You know, God is everything. If you do your own things, saying that you know much without engaging our God into it deeply, then you are making a wrong decision. You have to incorporate in whatever you do. Incorporate God. Say, God, we believe and trust. Whatever we need to start, let us start with you. We move together. You guide us. You motivate us. We make everything the way it should be. If God is not there, then I believe and trust that there's nothing you will be gaining. Because God first. God first. It is good, man. God first. God first. This work has to be completed at one day. One day, one time. You see where I'm from? It's quite a distance. It's a walking which has costed me like 23 minutes. This is another chamber. So far, we have seen 2 chambers. 2 chambers. 2 chambers. If you count the stones, like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stones. 5 stones of this chamber. You see, that's a chamber. Exactly what you are seeing is what we are supposed to replace. Let us go near and see exactly what we mean. Look, like this. Stones are nice, man. These are the chambers. These are the snooze valve, and all of them they are snooze valves. This is a chamber. You need to do that. God first. Mungu mbele in Kiswahili. God first means Mungu mbele. God first in whatever we do. God first. Mungu mbele. As I'm happy that we are getting a privilege of making something in a city. Hallelujah. This is good, man. You. This is good, man. This is very good. You see? There's a lot of work. You see? These are pipes. This is the one I was telling you guys. You need to unfold these pipes. Okay. This is okay now. Now here is a place we messed a bit our backhoe, which is excavating. This is a total mess. We need to do something here. This is a total mess, man. This is a total mess, eh? Over there, can zoom. Over there, are my guys, doing some repair. I have also a stationary truck to ferry the guys on the job. Yes, this is good, man. No, these birds have got advantage here. Tapping waters. This is where my guy messed up, and I think he has not joined this. This is what we experience at times, getting a boa distraction. Okay, that's good. They are there doing some repair works has to be done. Repair works have to be done, Repair works have to be done. This is the truck. What we are using for ferrying. So basically, this is what we are intending to do. This one. Look looks a bit clean. It's a bit clean. And this our guys doing some repair work for this pipe which was messed up with the excavator guy. Yeah, that's good, man. We briefly understand this. Now we can have also a view of the area very nicely, very comfortable, but it is sunny. It looks like Arabic places, which is very much dry. There's a truck. Guys, it goes like that.